What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add elements and graphics in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. You want to start by opening up Canva and then selecting the design that you want to enhance. Once you've opened up the design, you can click the Elements tab on the side menu. This will give you access to many different shapes, graphics, animations, and so on. Since we are designing a coffee logo, we are going to search for a coffee cup. Once you find the element or the graphic that you would like to use, you can click on it and it will be automatically placed onto your design. You can move it around and you can also drag the corner handles to make it fit into your layout. And that's how you add elements and graphics in Canva.